Hello everyone, welcome to TechieQA channel. In this video we are going to see about how to take a APK from the device. For example, like you have already installed the app in the device. You want that APK for testing purpose or debugging purpose, or if you want to do some performance testing for the APK level or device level, you need that APK. So instead of downloading from the Play Store or downloading from the third party sites like APK backup or APK view, something like that, so you already installed it in your device, right? So there will be some places it's stored already. So how can we take that APK? So that's what we are going to see here. Here I can, which APK I can take it. So I don't have any third party apps, actually all are inbuilt apps here. So what I will do, I will try to install. Okay, let me take anything as of now. Okay, this is emulator. Actually for this purpose I'm using emulator. In this folder the APK will store. Actually I have created one folder also, I'm pointing to that one. So you need to know some basic commands of ADB in the sense like Android development bridge. So you need some ADB commands for taking the APK from the device. The first command is, I will choose which one I will take. So I need this setting one. So let me take setting app for setting up APK. So I need to know the package name first of all. For that purpose, ADB shell pm list packages. Once you're done, it will show all the. Okay, let me maximize. It will show all the packages. The command which I have entered is ADB shell pm list packages. It will show all the package, like whatever the app I have installed, no? So all the packages name it will show here. I want for setting one, so you can see somewhere setting. Okay, so okay, cool. Let me search else settings. It will be Android settings. Yeah, com.android.settings. So similar way for your app, you have to find the package name. Once that is done, you need to write one more command. So let me clear this. ADB shell pm path the package name. So actually what is this command is, the previous command was list all the package installed apps. This command will help you to show the path where the APK is stored for this app, in the sense like for the setting app where it's stored. ADB shell pm path the package name. Okay, see, we got it. System prev app setting APK. Now we need to do ADB pull in the sense just pull from that place the path. Once you're done, I think, see, the setting APK is downloaded here. So you can use this app for any purpose, maybe for automation, or if you want to do some analysis, whatever you want, you can do it. So this is how we can take it. There are 3 commands. Maybe I can list out for you guys once again. So I will clear ADB shell pm list packages. This is one. Then ADB shell pm path and package name. This is second one. You will get a path. Then you should just pull the APK from the path to APK. Okay, so these 3 command is enough to get the APK into your current location. The current location is where we are pointing to, right? So here actually. So setting APK is there. So this is how we have to pull the APK from the device. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for more videos like this. If you have any doubt or if you are not able to run some commands, please put into comments, we will help you. Thanks for watching.